If you're experiencing account sync issues in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure your game data is properly synced across platforms. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your account. Log into your CD Projekt Red account and ensure that your account details are correct. Make sure you are using the same account across all platforms where you play Cyberpunk 2077. Step 3. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary sync issues. Step 4. Relink your accounts. If you are playing on multiple platforms, unlink and then relink your accounts. This can help establish a fresh connection and resolve any discrepancies in data. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to CD Projekt Red's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will be your best option for a solution.